Crypto dweebs and nerds alike run for the hills, or is this just another piece of FUD as the EU and the MiCA regulations potentially getting ready to ban Tether in the European Union, folks?
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? Everybody calm down!
This could be the cataclysm or just business as usual in the most volatile asset class on the planet, which is crypto. Welcome in to the blockchain basement. My name's the Druth, here to bring you the alpha. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. We are crossing 67,400 subscribers from you beautiful people, hitting that subscribe button, hitting the notification bell, and capturing all the alpha as we roll it out to you now. Also on Twitter, make sure you're following me at Druth Crypto to catch all of the trades, all the movements, and the spiciest memes in the internet. And now let's get into this Tether FUD. What the hell is going on? Is this the end of crypto as we know it? Or is this just another psyop from the powers that be trying to keep you from gaining on your bags? Let's take a look. The EU. Silence does not make USDT MiCA compliant, says executives. Let's look into what's being talked about here. They're talking about banning Tether beginning December 30th. So internet is on fire with posts worrying about Tether now being inaccessible for users in the European Union, as EU regulators have not said whether USDT is compliant with MiCA. But this doesn't mean the stablecoin is not seen as non-compliant in Europe. According to a member of the MiCA Crypto Alliance, no regulators have explicitly stated that USDT isn't compliant, but this does not mean that it is. Juan Ignacio Ibanez, a member of the technical committee for the MiCA Crypto Alliance, told Telegraph last night. And now we take a look at Coinbase's preemptive decision to take Tether off of access for European users, addressing the exchanges like Binance and Crypto.com continuing USDT trading. Ibanez said there are no reasons for crypto exchanges to delist USDT on the same date as Coinbase. Coinbase's decision may reflect a proactive approach to avoid the last-minute compliance risk or regulatory uncertainty as a precautionary approach. We should look at a December 30th date. The question is whether all exchanges will delist USDT at once or whether it will be progressive, and some will play the wait-and-see game expecting statements from regulators. Now, we've seen this FUD time and time again, folks. The fear and uncertainty and doubt on the Bitcoin and crypto markets can be seen clear as day here, printing in massive volatility with huge wicks on the weekly candle right now, currently printing a red weekly candle as people are worrying the bull market is over. This is the big one. Now, what does this mean? We have posts talking about the internal profitability of Tether and what the company is actually made of. Here from Seth_Finn, Tether made $7.7 billion net profits in $2.5 billion in Q3 of 2024. But did you know that Tether also has $100 billion in US Treasury bonds, $4 billion in gold, and 85,000 Bitcoin? Maybe next time try harder. They Tether FUD you for the 19th time. This is the reality of the situation, folks. Tether is the monster in the background, hoisting up US government debt and the gold market in a single foul swoop. And let's read on. Tether CEO came out with this statement earlier in the year, October 4th. Tether is the US government's best friend. Paulo Adorino added that Tether holds more US treasuries than Germany or any other competitor. This has massive implications. When you want to sit there and worry about short-term news releases or past DOJ releases of investigations into Tether, they do this time and time again. This is meant to keep retail out of the game as the rich and powerful consolidate power, and that power is the future of finance in crypto. Do not be shaken out. Stay base, folks. And another key metric to take into account is the market cap of Tether compared to its main competitor, USDC, Circle's love child. Here is Tether's market cap currently absolutely breaking out into all-time highs. This is a massive difference from the USDC comparison here. Massive difference from the USDC comparison, which has yet to get close to breaking out of its previous all-time highs in July of 2022. When we look at the past history of all the FUD towards Tether, this reminds me heavily of the news release that the US government launched an investigation into USDT crypto firm Tether. But guess what? This was shortly rebutted by the Tether CEO himself, Paulo Adorino, denying the Wall Street Journal's original report that the firm is under investigation by the government. Absolutely ridiculous. And you can see the day that DOJ release came out, it did cause a very similar massive sell-off for Bitcoin. This is on the daily chart highlighting October 25th. This news report that was false resulted in a nearly 5% downturn for Bitcoin at 4.66%, and many bears started looking for lower targets on Bitcoin's price, even looking down into the $40,000 realm. Guess what? Didn't happen. Do not let the short-term FUD of news releases shake you out of your bags, guys. Look at this graph. Right here is that big, scary DOJ release from the Wall Street Journal that then was released as false, and Bitcoin made its way all the way damn near through this entire Fibonacci sequence. This current FUD trying to stop us from breaking into the next level, sure, but I am still of the opinion we are going to see fireworks in the month of January, breaking us into the next set of the Fibonacci sequence of the 1.618 to the 2.618. That brings us to prices up into the $140,000 level. This is why it's important to do your own research, to remain based and convicted in your investments, and do not let outside noise shake you out of your bags. We see BlackRock buying continuously. BlackRock assets are growing at an exponential rate even compared to gold. Bitcoin is catching up by leaps and bounds in a very short amount of time. The future of finance has never been clearer. And with that, make sure to stay based. Stay subscribed to the channel and catch every video that we come out with 12:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the afternoon, and our nightly videos at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Until next time, Druth out.